Kira make solution.
Hi everyone, this is Kira from Kira Solution. In this channel we'll see how to make things using software called Solidworks. On this video we'll see how to make cooling fan blade. I will do it in the simplest way, so just follow my instructions. As always, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and leave me a comment. Stay tuned with me. Peace. Okay guys, this is how it looks finally after we make this cooling fan blade. It's very easy, don't worry about the dimensions while now if you are designing that you necessary to have a dimensions, but since this video concerned only about how to make it the 3D model, so let's bounce directly to how to make it. So let's start new part. First OK. So this is our new working bench. So let's start by sketching. So let us select plane. Let's mostly use top plane as a starting of a sketch. So what you're going to do is as I told you earlier, you should not worry about the dimension, but let's put, they say 100. I'm working in millimeter, as you see here, around here. Let's make this 2 millimeters. Okay, so finish the sketch. What we're going to do next is select another plane which is parallel to the plane that we sketched this sketch. So again we have to select top plane, and let's put the offset of the plane will be 20. Then press OK. So let's sketch on this plane. Am I doing it wrong? Yeah, that's correct. Okay, so we're sketching on this plane, so by selecting 3-point corner rectangle, select this point. You can select an arbitrary point, then we'll give the dimension, don't worry about that. So make this again 100. I think it's very long, so let's make it 70. And this one, the thickness will be 2. Right now I think I make it 2. Okay. So we have to edit the first sketch. Let's go back to the first sketch and finish this sketch first, and let's go here and select edit sketch, make this 70. Okay, now let's go back to the second sketch and let's give them an angle. So go to Smart Dimension, select this line, and select this line, and press 30 degrees. Okay, now it will be cool. Now if you see, these skates are put in the planes which are parallel to each other. So what we are going to do next is we will use lofted boss extrude. So we have to select the profile, this one and this one. If you do this, it might automatically do the work, but instead of doing this, you have to make it, you have to select the points. So I'll select this one and this one. It will automatically decide to loft the points. So our blade structures is getting good now. So the next thing we do is to fillet the edges. So select this edge and select this edge, so that you can press full and do it. Okay, if you make it 20, it will be like this, but it's fine. The 10mm is good. And press OK. Alright. So in this plane, let's sketch another. Select normal view, then put circle on this line, or you can make it about here. Since I'm not worried about dimensions, but if you have a dimension using these points, you can make your circle. So let's give the dimension here. Let's make it 35. That will be good. Press OK. And let us extrude this gauge. Since I am doing it without dimensions, I will not be worried, but look what I am going to do. Using this extrude guide line, you can make the extrusion. So I will need some of like this and this one like this. Then this will be enough for me. There are plenty of doing this extrusion, but this one is, since I'm doing it without dimensions, so I don't worry. Okay, now you can feel it these edges, but if it's necessary, okay, let's do it. This side, this, and this, finally this one. Let's make it 0.5. Okay, it looks good. Press OK. Now we'll duplicate this profile with the preference axis or the preference direction with this cylindrical geometry. So the body that we are going to array or multiply or duplicate is the loft, the fillet, and finally the second fillet. So we'll select the direction, this side. So how many times you want to duplicate this part, it depends on you, but for me I'll make it 15. If you decrease this, it will decrease. Make sure you check this equals best icon. So let me make it 10 or 50, but I would like to do it 50. So let me hide this plane. Our font is nice. It looks good. Let us fillet this edge with a radius of 2. I think it's good. Maybe let's make it 4. That would be good. Then after that, we'll sketch on this surface. But select convert entity, that will automatically create this edge to sketch mode, so you can offset this entity with 2 mm in a reverse direction. Press OK. You can trim the outer line, the outer circle, then you can cut it through extruded cut. So if you know the dimension, you will not be worried, but since I'm doing it without dimensions, that would be enough for me. So the font looks like this. You can edit it. You can change the shape of this blade in the way that I do before. If you change some angles, if you change dimensions, there will be plenty way of designing this thing, but it is the easiest way. So thanks for watching. I hope you get some concept or some points in this video. So if anything that you want to know on this software, please leave me a comment. Peace to you. We love you all, guys. Thank you.